Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In the last class we have solved question number 11 and 12. In today's class we will continue with next question. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. X belongs to minus 4 and 2. So first you write given. Dear students, y is nothing but what? F of x. So just you have to write what? F of x here in place of y. So I can write it as what? Y is equal to, instead of f of x, I can write f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8. And here a value is given how much? X belongs to minus 4 comma 2 means a value is minus 4, b value is 2, dear students. A value is minus 4 and b value is 2. This is your given things I have written. So now how to find a verify Rolle's theorem? So now you have to find here c value. That c value will always lies between what? Minus 4 and 2. Correct? So then how to find your c? So now step 1. We are made with what? Step 1s. We are making the answer with what? Stepwise. Step 1 you see. The given function is what? This is polynomial function or not? So that's why the given function f of x is polynomial. So it is continuous. So it is continuous at closed interval minus 4 and 2. This is square bracket I am using. Try to understand here. This is nothing but what? Square bracket. Don't get confused. Clear? Closed interval. If it is continuous on closed interval. Correct? Now step 2 you see. Step 2 what it will become you observe. Step 2 is also same only. Sentence you see. The given function, see how it is easy. The given function f of x is polynomial. So it is differentiable. Together we can write, but for your understanding purpose I made it different totally stepwise. So it is differentiable at open interval minus 4 comma 2, dear students. Clear? Now step 3. Step 3 is what? Rolle's theorem is verified when you will say, it is applied when you will say, you know that f of a must be equal to f of b. F of a value is how much? F of a is nothing but f of minus 4. A value is minus 4 or not? This is looking like f of x, dear students. Compare with this. In place of x what it is? Minus 4. I will substitute here. Minus 4 square. X value is how much? Minus 4. Minus 4 I am putting in this. Minus 4 square plus 2 into x value is how much? That is minus 4. Here minus 8 I will write. How much you will get? You see. Minus 4 square is 16 plus into minus 2 4s are minus 8. It will become minus 8 is one more is that. We'll write 16 minus 8 is how much? Minus 16, that is equal to 0, dear students. I hope it is clear. So now see f of b. F of b will give how much? B value is how much? 2. We can substitute 2. This is also looking like f of x. In place of x what it is? 2 or not? So 2 you put 2 square. 2 into 2 minus 8. This is minus 8 I wrote. 2 square is 4. 2 2s are 4 minus 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0, dear students. That means you can say therefore f of minus 4 is equal to f of 2. Hence we can say Rolle is applicable for this function. So next is what? Rolle, we have to take a derivative of this. F of x is what? X square plus 2x minus 8. What is the derivative of this? F dash of x. Derivative of f of x is what? X square derivative is 2x. Derivative of 2x is what? 2. So f dash of c I will find. F dash of c. So in place of x, what it is here? C. Just you replace by what? X remove and put c there. 2x, 2c plus 2. In place of x, c is there. We are putting c here. Clear? So x को हटाकर c डाल रहे हैं. x ना तगदू C ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Now see what will happen here. Rolly says f dash of C is equal to 0, dear students. At least there will be a one point which the curve will be parallel to x axis, dear students. That's why derivative slope of the tangent is parallel to x axis means its derivative is equal to 0. At least one point will be there exists that is parallel to what? X axis. That means slope is parallel to x axis means derivative is equal to 0. So now f dash of C value you know how much? 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? Plus 2 you take that side, it will become what? Minus 2. C value is becoming how much? Minus 1. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. Correct? Minus 1 will this is our required answer which belongs to what? Minus 4 to 2. In between this number will come minus 1 and this is our required answer, dear students. I hope it is clear. If you are not understanding anything, please comment me, so I will update with your question what you have asked with the answer also. Fine. So please write this, copy this. We'll continue with the next question now. Let us continue with next question, dear students. Before continuing, I request please like the button. Then we'll continue. Fine. Please do it. So next is what? Differentiate sin x raised to x with respect to x. So now first you give the name for this. Y is equal to what? Sin x raised to x, dear students. We have to give the name for the given function. So we have given y is equal to what? Sin x raised to x. So now function के ऊपर function है, function is मेले function है. So that time what we will do? How many times I have to tell? In the last class also we have discussed this something similar. So before classes we have discussed this. So we will apply what? Log both sides. Apply log both sides, dear students. Clear? So if it is function के ऊपर function है, function is मेले function इधर है, we will apply what? Log both sides. So apply log y log sin x raised to x, dear students. So log y you can write, it is looking like what? Log a raised to b. Log a raised to b is what, dear students? Log a raised to b is b log a. B is what? X. B is what? X or not? X log sin x. A is nothing but sin x, dear students. So this is looking like u into v. U is nothing but x. Log sin x is nothing but v. So now I will differentiate this one. Differentiate with respect to x. So it is looking, log y is looking like log x. Log x derivative is what? 1 by x you will say. You also know, I also know, that is not x, that is the y. So but we will assume it as what? X only. Log y derivative is 1 by y. This was not x, no? This was not x means you have to take the derivative of this. Y derivative is what? Dy by dx, dear students. U into v means, u into v formula you know, u into v. U is written as it is dv by dx. V is written as it is du by dx. So u is what? X is as it is log sin x derivative 1 by sin x. It is looking like what? Log x. You also know, I also know it is not x, but we will assume it as x. Log x derivative is 1 by sin x. But this is not x means I have to take the derivative of sin x also. Sin x derivative is how much? Cos x plus I will write v is what? Log sin x, so I have to write as it is. And what is the derivative of x is what? Derivative of x is 1. So I have to take the derivative of u, no? U is nothing but x. X derivative is how much? 1 or not? So 1 I wrote. So now see, y you cross multiply. See here. This y you cross multiply. Y will come here. So now what is remaining? You see. X I will write as is. Cos into 1 is cos. Cos by sin, that is cot x, dear students. Cos by sin is nothing but cot x. Log sin x into 1, log sin x only. Clear? And now many of you will leave this much only answer. Don't leave. Y value substitute. Y is what? That is sin x raised to x into cot x plus log sin x, dear students. I hope you have understood. If you are understanding what to do, you know, please like the channel So we'll continue in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you.